SHENYANG Laniying Colored Steel Company Limited was established in 2007 and is located in Shenyang, enjoying convenient transportation and a beautiful environment. Our company covers an area of 33,000 square meters and has 100 employees. Our annual production capacity reaches 30,000 tons. We specialize in steel construction production, commercial building, aircraft hangar, and export. Our main markets are the United States, Canada, Indonesia, Dominican Republic, Argentina, Chile, Central and South America, and the Caribbean. At the same time, our projects are exported to more than 120 countries and regions around the world. Our company has rich experience in the building manufacturing industry. Our expertise includes large-scale factory buildings, warehouses and storage facilities, custom steel structure solutions, high wind and snow load-resistant structures. We are committed to delivering high-quality steel structures with efficient project management, competitive pricing, and excellent customer service. We have obtained numerous relevant quality management system certifications and the Canadian Welding Certification CWB 47.1. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. Our company has the world's advanced quality control equipment to strictly control the product quality. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success. We will continue to provide the best steel structure solutions for customers worldwide.
Welcome to Tianying Group. We are a professional steel building designer and fabricator. We have complete solution from project planning all the way to installation of the building. We deliver prefabricated metal building projects with trust, transparency, accountability, and respect. We are happily serving customers from over 100 countries in the world. Your building projects will be safe and cost-effective in our hands.